In this video, we're going to explore the Dynamic Visibility panel. The Dynamic Visibility panel is important as it allows us to show or hide elements within our layout based on a series of conditions that we assign to the elements. It's important to use the Dynamic Visibility panel when there is a field within our collection that isn't filled in by the Content Manager, whether the copy still isn't complete or a photo or entry is missing. So if we look here at this detail page we are currently on, let's pretend that the Content Manager doesn't have the description copy to populate this field. So if this field doesn't have any copy, we don't want it to show any placeholding copy, like lorem ipsum or message saying something like content being produced. What I want for this description field is for it to be hidden when it isn't populated with content. So I'm going to create a visibility condition to help me with this. The visibility condition is going to do the following. Element P2 will be visible when this field is populated. When it's not populated, it won't appear. So I'm going to select element P2 and I'm going to come here to the data panel, and here in Dynamic Visibility, I'm going to create a conditional visibility rule. So I'm going to click Add Condition and I'm going to select the target attribute for this collection. In this case, the description field. Now I'm going to come here and select the attribute, and then here to collection attributes. Here is our description attribute. So to create the condition, we want the description copy to appear when it's populated, so we can select is set. So let's create this condition. So as you can see, we can still see the description here as the copy has been populated. So we're going to click into this disk detail page. So I'm going to click here in collection and then releases, and we're going to click into the corresponding detail page, and we're going to delete the description to test that the conditional visibility is functioning correctly. As you can see, the description field automatically disappeared when I deleted the copy for this field. As you can also see, when I create a condition, this symbol appears that indicates that this element has a dynamic visibility condition linked to it. This is important as the element disappears. This element can still be found in the doc map, but we can't see it. So it helps to be able to understand that there are certain conditions that make this element appear or disappear. We can also create a series of other types of conditions. You can create conditions that work with the current detail, with global states, with repeat states. We can also add important information. For example, if we are working with lists and we want to add information to these lists regarding whether they are loading or empty. The repeating state of a list, we can use conditional visibility with a form state. We can hide or show elements based on language, based on the screen, based on the target of certain cookies, and based on all of our collection's attributes. So as you can see, there are endless possibilities. All you have to do is explore this area and try all of these great ways in which your project can be made more dynamic by creating detail or list items with different visibility conditions.